Hello dear students, this is ISI M.MATH Master of Mathematics 2021 question number 1 solution I will be doing in this video. So they've given that f is a function, okay, and it is continuous function and fx equal to 2 minus root over x plus 4 by sine 2x. This is given for all x not equal to 0. Then the value of f0 is what? Okay, so they want us to tell the value of f0. So in this case, you can see 4 options are here. Very sorry for this, actually, this untidiness, because this is an original question paper I just got, and I haven't published yet the original paper. Okay, so these are things. So don't go for the tick. Okay, so we will be solving. This is from someone who have given the examination. Okay, now suppose this is a continuous function and find the value of f0. So let's do it as f is continuous. So in this total structure, f of 0 if we put, then it's a limiting structure we can apply very easily. So applying limit 2 minus root over x plus 4 by sine 2x. Okay, now in the very next line what we can do is we can rationalize this thing. So that is 2 square minus root over of x plus 4 square divided by sine 2x 2 plus root over of x plus 4. Okay, now for this limit x tends to 0 if we just put, so this will be 4 minus x minus 4, and denominator just the way it is, it will remain the same. Now there will be a small slight change we have to make. Okay, so here limit x tends to 0, this will be minus 2x by sine 2x into 1 by 2. So this is anyway cancelled out, so this one extra 2 I am adding, and that is also here I am matching it out. Okay, so 2 plus root over x plus 4. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 plus root over 4, so just put the value, and 2 plus 2 plus 8, so minus 1 by 8. Okay, but remember one thing we have used, that limit x tends to 0 sine x by x. So minus 1 by 8 is the solution here. So option number A is the correct answer for the first question. In the further videos I will be solving from 2, 3, 4 in that way all the 30 questions. Thank you.